If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. So you thinking about joining the LiveGood affiliate program? Well, I'm about to give you 5 reasons why I did. All right, if for whatever reason you haven't heard of LiveGood yet, it is a online business opportunity that is on fire right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single day. And in my opinion, it's the perfect hybrid between affiliate marketing and network marketing. Now, maybe you already knew that, right? So you're like, they'll get to the point. So the affiliate program, right? If you're watching this, you affiliate marketer, you're like, yo, I'm thinking I'm really close to joining this, but I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I got so many options. Like, I don't know if this is for me. So I'm going to tell you why I joined. And here's 5 reasons. The first one is you get a $25 commission for every personal referral that you get that decides to become a LiveGood affiliate. All right. So I like this because $25 commissions ain't bad. Right? Because a lot of products, even when you get started with like ClickBank, even Digistore 24, sites like that, a $25 one-time commission is good. You know what I'm saying? That's not bad. Even if you sell like a digital product and it's, you know, a $50 course or program and you get a 50% commission off that, that's $25. This is dope because when you get started, you could just look at it like, look, I'm just trying to get 5 sales a week at $25 commissions. That's $125 extra a week. What's that? $500 a month? That ain't bad at all, right? Now, the second reason I joined the LiveGood affiliate program is it is newbie friendly. Now, this really don't apply to me because I've been doing affiliate marketing for like 15 years. But where this comes in handy is because when I promote it to people who may be new to affiliate marketing or network marketing, I feel confident knowing that they can do well with this program. Because when you get started with LiveGood, you only really need to promote one link, and that is your tour page link. This is the link that's going to get you pretty much all of your, you know, signups, pretty much, right? Now, there are a couple other websites that you can promote, and I'll talk about that in a second, but it's very newbie friendly. All someone has to do when they become an affiliate, get that link and start promoting it. It's that simple. It's not complicated, because if you can drive people to your affiliate LiveGood tour page, that's all you need to do. Just drive people to that page. It's not complicated. Very, very newbie friendly. Now, third reason I joined the LiveGood affiliate program is because of the products. Now, currently, as I'm making this video, LiveGood is pretty much a health and wellness company. All right, most of the products are based around health and wellness. So we got things like, you know, organic protein, which is selling like crazy. We got super reds. We got super greens. We just came out with a collagen product. We got the sleep patches, the energy patches. And the dope thing is LiveGood is always adding new products. All right. And me personally, by having a background in health and wellness and fitness, like, I'm loving the products. And which I'm doing on my other channel, I take the LiveGood magnesium for sleep, and that shit works straight up. But the cool thing about that is, like I said, in a couple years, they're planning on expanding and going, you know, out of just the whole health and wellness. So this is going to make it even easier to promote, because the LiveGood products are going to appeal to more and more people. So as a LiveGood affiliate, not only can you promote the home business opportunity side of things, you can also promote the products. So the next reason I joined the LiveGood affiliate program is because the 50% matching bonus. Now, I did a video talking about this like a week ago, and I don't know when this video come out, but this is how people in LiveGood are making the $5,000, the $10,000, the $20,000 a month. It's because of the 50% matching bonus. And this is how that works. So let's go back to the first reason why I joined, the $25 commissions you get. Right? You get that $25 commission as a one-time commission when you bring in a personal referral that decides to become an affiliate. All right. Now, here's how the 50% matching bonus works. All right. So whatever that affiliate earns, right? Whatever your personal affiliate earns, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus. All right. This right here takes that $25 commission thing, which is cool. You can make money off that. But this drastically increases your chances and earning potential when you throw in this 50% matching bonus. So just in case you're not following, this is what that means. Say, you recruited somebody, you got a personal affiliate, they signed up, you got a $25 commission, right? Cool. You're like, hell yeah, $25, that's cool, all right? But just say this person, this affiliate is like a beast. You know what I'm saying? They are super determined. They super focused, right? They all about LiveGood. And they go out there and they start making $2,000 a month from LiveGood. Think about that, right? So you might even forgot about this person. You're like, I ain't think about it, whatever. One person making $2,000 a month. You're going to get $1,000 a month because that's a 50% matching bonus. So just really think about that. What started as a $25 commission, cool. Now that turned into $1,000 a month from one personal referral, right? That shit is crazy. That right there, like if that don't motivate you, if you are into the whole affiliate marketing, making money online, that right there should make you be like, hell yeah, I'm signing up. I'm going to be an affiliate for LiveGood. Just that little point right there. But there is one more reason why I joined the LiveGood affiliate program. It's very simple. It's because this is an evergreen opportunity. And what I mean by that is this is something that you can promote forever, right? Because I'm gonna tell you why. The home business, making money opportunity, that's evergreen. That ain't going nowhere. People will always be looking for a way to earn some money, earn some passive income, recurring income, make some side hustle income, right? That ain't going nowhere, right? And then with the products that we have now at LiveGood, all right, health and wellness, that ain't going nowhere, right? People are always trying to get healthier, always, right? They're always looking for products to make their life easier, right? And health-wise. So LiveGood is an evergreen opportunity, and that right there is a no-brainer for me because even if, your business is slow the first couple months, even the first year, guess what? 3 years from now, you might be popping in LiveGood, right? Or you could get it popping right now, right? It's pretty much up to you. But these are the 5 reasons why I joined the LiveGood affiliate program and the reasons why you should join too. So these are the 5 reasons why I joined the LiveGood affiliate program. And if you want to do exactly what I did and join the program, you can do so by clicking that first link in the description, and I will see you on the other side.